We are following an NBC26 storm alert. A winter storm warning has been issued for Marinette County and also Menominee County, Michigan. This is for late tonight into tomorrow evening. And then south of the winter storm warning, we do have a winter weather advisory that includes Wapaka, Appleton, Green Bay, Algoma, Sturgeon Bay, Oconto, and Antigo. This is up for, once again, late tonight into tomorrow evening. You can see that winter weather advisory extends back to the north and west. We're going to see increasing clouds initially over the next several hours, and then cloudy skies will give way to some on and off light snow as we head into tomorrow morning. And then the brunt of the storm will move through during the late morning and early afternoon. It looks like a large area of moderate snow, but there will be some pockets of heavy snow mixing in from time to time, roughly from about 10 a.m. until about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then everything begins to wind down by the late afternoon and early evening. And by 6 o'clock, we should be looking at just a few leftover flurries. So snow, heavy at times for your Thursday. It'll be breezy at times as well, and that means we're going to have some blowing and drifting snow out there. And of course, difficult traveling is expected. When all is said and done, the highest totals will be across the north here, from northwestern Shawano County through much of central and northern Oconto County, Marinette County, and Menominee County, Michigan. It looks like a widespread 4 to 8 inches. Just south of that, we'll have a band of about 2 to 4 inches from just north of Watoma to Wapaka to Clintonville to Shawano to around New London, Green Bay, Kewanee, Algoma, Sturgeon Bay up towards Ephraim. And then across the south, it looks like a dusting to a couple of inches from just south of the Fox Cities to around Oshkosh to Manitowoc, back towards Fond du Lac. The highest amounts will be across the north. And then once you get to around Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, probably a dusting to maybe a half an inch or so. Now that snow is going to replace the cold. Today was very cold. In fact, it was the coldest day since January 31st, when we had a daytime high temperature of -5. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that are mainly in the single digits above zero, although Antigo has already dropped back down to 7 degrees below zero. In Green Bay, we have clear skies. You can see the December full moon rising in the east. The temperature is 6 degrees. We're looking at calm winds, and with calm winds this evening, that temperature should drop pretty quickly before the clouds start to increase later on tonight. In the valley, it is 7 with west to southwest winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So we're still dealing with the wind chill factor in spots. It feels like 9 degrees below zero in Sturgeon Bay. And right now in Antigo, it feels like 20 degrees below zero. We had 100% possible sunshine across the area today thanks to high pressure. But our next weather maker is approaching from the west, and it's already producing some snow here across parts of North Dakota. That area of snow is going to blossom overnight as it shifts east-southeast into Wisconsin. So by 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll have periods of light snow. We'll see on and off light snow throughout the early morning, and then we're going to have that burst of moderate to heavy snow move through during the late morning and early afternoon. And by the middle of the afternoon and early evening, everything should wind down from west to east across the area. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, most spots will see a dusting to around an inch north of Oshkosh, and then the totals will go up progressively as we head through the afternoon and early evening. We've already picked up 22 inches of snow this winter, nearly 2 feet. That is way above normal and way above where we were last year at this time. With the snow comes much warmer temperatures. Look at that, almost 25 degrees warmer than what we saw today with highs in the lower 30s. So tonight, increasing clouds. Temperatures will bottom out over the next several hours, pretty close to zero, give or take about 5 degrees, and then climbing overnight. By tomorrow morning, temperatures already around 20, and then upper 20s to lower 30s as we move into the afternoon with periods of snow. On Friday, cloudy skies, maybe a flurry or a snow shower late. Chance for some light snow or flurries on Saturday, turning sharply colder again on Sunday, highs only in the lower to mid-teens, wind chills at or below zero for tailgating and at kickoff, so prepare for that. And then staying cold for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Temperatures only in the teens to around 20 degrees.
My 8-year-old keeps arguing with me whether or not she has to wear her snow pants at the bus stop.
She does.
Yeah, I had to call you so she could see.
You need to bundle up.
Yeah, it is just so cold out there, and it's just dangerously cold even for the little ones, especially for the little ones.
Just outside for a short period of time, you could be, dealing with some issues, hypothermia, frostbite, stuff like that.
Don't get complacent about it.
No.
All right, Cameron, thanks so much.